What if I told you that $10 a day, aka your daily iced vanilla oat milk latte with extra whip, could actually make you a millionaire? No, this isn't clickbait. This is the $10 a day investing challenge, where we stop spending like celebrities and start investing like Warren Buffett's frugal cousin. Welcome back to Wealth Matters, where we turn small habits into big financial wins. Today, we're ditching excuses and diving into how just $10 a day can build you a serious nest egg, even if you can't spell diversification. Let's be real. $10 doesn't seem like much. That's what you spend on fast food, or worse, on one of those tiny impulse purchases at Target that somehow adds up to $78 at the register. But here's the deal. If you consistently invest $10 a day, that's $300 a month. And over time, it snowballs into real wealth. Let's say you throw that money into an index fund tracking the S&P 500, earning an average of 8% a year. In 10 years, around $55,000. In 20 years, around $180,000. In 30 years, you're sitting on over $440,000, all from money you would have blown on snacks and apps you forgot you subscribed to. This is where the magic happens. Compound interest, aka your money making money while you sleep, eat chips, or binge Netflix. Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. He also had wild hair, so he probably wasn't lying. Let's break it down. You invest $10 a day, which equals $3,650 a year. Do that for 30 years. Add in consistent returns around 8%. Boom, you've invested about $110,000, but your account says $440,000 plus. The difference? That's your money working harder than you do on a Monday morning. Getting started is shockingly easy, like easier than trying to cancel Netflix easy. Here's your 4-step plan to join the $10 a day challenge. Open an investment account. Try platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, M1 Finance, or even apps like Robinhood or Acorns if you're into investing with some flair. Pick a solid, boring, beautiful index fund like VTI or VABO, the kind of fund that won't ghost you. Set up auto deposits of $10 a day or $70 a week. Automation equals future millionaire mode. Walk away. Let your future self handle the applause. No stock picking, no staring at charts, no losing sleep because Elon tweeted something weird. Consistency is the name of the game. And no, that doesn't mean you can never eat avocado toast again. Here are some quick tips to stay on track. Treat investing like a subscription. If you can pay for Netflix, you can invest in yourself. Cut one small habit. Say goodbye to that mystery DoorDash order you don't remember placing. Track your progress once a month and celebrate every little milestone. Yes, even when you hit $1,000. You're doing it. Bonus tip. Tell a friend and keep each other accountable. Misery loves company, but so does financial success. So here's the deal. You don't need a 6-figure salary or a finance degree to build wealth. You just need a plan, $10 a day, and the patience of a monk on a mountaintop. Are you up for the challenge? Drop a comment. I'm in. If you're joining the $10 a day investing challenge, like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to Wealth Matters for more ways to grow your money without selling your soul or your sneakers. See you in the next one. Stay frugal, stay fabulous, and let's get that compound money.